तो आज हम जनरल इंग्लिश सेकंड सेमेस्टर का जो प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर हुआ था वही डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, पिको लायर इज एन बी पॉट ब्रिटिश एसेइस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, इन वाई वी ट्रैवल लायर क्वाइटस फ्रॉम द एसे द फिलॉसफी ऑफ ट्रैवल विच इज रिटन बाय सी पॉट। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, पिको लायर maintains that traveling allows us to see डी पॉट all of these. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, पिको लायर मेंटेन्स दैट ट्रैवल, इसका जो आंसर है डी पार्ट ऑल ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव, अकॉर्डिंग टू पिको ट्रैवल एट लीस्ट फॉर ए मूवमेंट मेक्स अस ट्रांसेंड, इसका भी कंफर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स, ए मैन नेवर गोज सो फार व्हेन ही डज नॉट नो वेयर ही इज गोइंग, द लाइन हियर इज बाय सी पॉट ओलिवर क्रोमवेल। Question number seven. In the essay Why We Travel, the best trips are compared to B part, the best lover affairs. Question number eight. One of the places given below is described by Pico as the most authoritarian. C part, North Korea. Question number nine. Santiana believes that travel can depart all of these, keep the mind nimble. Kirill prejudice, foster humor, depart all of these. Question number 10. The first great joy of traveling, according to Lair, is simply the luxury of leaving all dash dash at home. इसका भी अभी कन्फर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Lair says we travel then in search of both self and anonymity. What does the word anonymity means? Devote all of these. Question number 12. Travel shows us all the parts of ourselves that might otherwise grow, remain, इसका भी कंफर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, the world that Pico Lair describes in his essay is depart all of these. Question number 14, why does Pico believe that romantic poets inaugurated an era of travel, इसका भी कंफर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, Annie died before she could reach the age of B part 16. Question number 16, who discovered Annie's diary? A part, Annie's father. Question number 17, the diary of young girl written by Annie Frank deals with D part all of these. Question number 18, the diary of Annie Frank can be read as C part both A and B. Question number 19, Annie Frank was an B part Jew. Question number 20, we are opposites in everything, so naturally we are bound to run off against each other. Who are we being referred to here? C part Annie and her mother. Question number 21, everything has upset me again this morning, so I was not able to finish a single thing properly. Annie is upset because इसका भी कंफर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, डायरी राइटिंग इज मोस्टली डी पार्ट all of these. Question number 23, Annie started writing her diary when she was dash years old. B part 13. Question number 24, no one is able to keep out of it. The whole globe is waging war, and although it is going better for Elise, the end is not yet in sight. Who were Elise in the Second World War? A part, United States, Britain, France, and Soviet Union. A part. Question number 25. According to one of the anti-Jewish laws, the Jewish people were made to wear a B part yellow star. Question number 26. Annie regards her hiding as B part a dangerous adventure. Question number 27. What reason did Annie give for writing a diary? A part, because she had no real friend. Question number 28. What name does Annie give to her diary? B part, Kitty. Question 29. After the arrival of Germans in Holland, Jews were forced to remain indoors by 8 o'clock. B part. Question number 30. Annie thought that people will not be interested in the unbosoms of a 13-year-old girl. The word unbosoms means D part all of these. Question number 31. Mahmoud Darwish was a dash poet. C part Iranian, Palestinian. Question number 32. The poem ID card can be read as T part all of these. Question number 33. The poem ID card or T carries the theme of D part all of these. Question number 34. The poem ID card is written in the form A. Conversation A part. Question number 35. What does the word eagle means in the poem ID card? B part. The black cord worn around the head. Question number 36. Seamus Heaney was an dash poet. C part Irish. Question number 37. The poem digging brings dash sitting to reader's mind. D part all of these. Question number 38. In the poem Digging, one of the following things that speaker brings for his grandfather is A part a bottle of milk. Question number 39. In the poem Digging, the speaker compares digging with C part writing. Question number 40. I will dig with it. What does it refers to? C part speaker's pen. Question number 41. Margaret Atwood is an dash poet. A part Canadian. Question number 42. Atwood is a D part both A and B poet novelist. Question number 43. The central theme of poem This is a photograph of me is R. D part all of these. Question number 44. The poem This is a paragraph of me is written in a free verse. A part. Question number 45. The poem This is a photograph of me turns from a simple description of a photograph in the first stanza into dash in the second stanza. A part terrible revelation of speaker's death. Question number 46. Jothan a Dalit's life was originally written in C part Hindi. Jothan a Dalit's life can be read as A part Om Prakash's autobiography perspective depicting Dalit oppression. Question 48. One of the characteristics from the choices given below is Christian by religion in this story. Jothan. D part Sevak Ram. Question 49. One of the characteristics in Jothan had developed a boil on his belly. A part Sukhan Singh. Question number 50. In Jothan, one of the characters were nicknamed Munshi. C part the narrator. Question number 51. In the novel Jothan, the reapers would get B part 1 chef out of 21. Question number 52. How long did the headmaster make Valmiki sweep the playground? C part 3 days. Question number 53. Sundara's compliment on the delicious food served by Valmiki's wife. C part made her happy. Question number 54. Which of the following were true of Sukhbir? इसका confirm नहीं है. Question number 55. What were some of the changes that had taken place at the inter college? D part both A and C. Question number 56. After reading the extract, which emotions can you associate with the narrator? D part all of these. Question number 57. During harvesting time, the laborers from the untouchable castes B part would protect against their misery wages. Question number 58. At the wedding of Sukhdev Singh, Tyagi's daughter, Valmiki's mother B part arrested her dignity by emptying the food basket in front of Sukhdev. Question number 59. Who emerges as a heroic figure from this story? C part both A and B. Valmiki's mother, Valmiki's sister-in-law. Question number 60. Jothan and Dalit's life is a B part novel. Thank you.